What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you guys are not new, hello, happy Friday. So you guys saw the title. If you guys have not watched the last two videos of this series, there are 5 videos in this series. This is video number 3. Make sure you guys go watch video number 1 and video number 2. I will link them in the description, so pause here, go watch those 2, and then come back. I cleaned up my messy, disgusting kitchen. I also deep cleaned my kitchen, and now we're here for part 3, and we are cleaning my disgusting fridge. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I filmed all 5 of these videos before all of the intro and outros. Let me just say that this is my favorite transformation out of all of them. So make sure you guys stay until the end for the before after shots, because that's what we're here for. Alright guys, I'm about to clean out my fridge. I think I'm gonna start with just taking literally everything out, cleaning it, and then putting stuff back as I go, or throwing it out if it's old and stuff like that. So no time to waste, let's just do this.
This is freaking March 2023.
That's disgusting. Oh my God. Alright guys, my fridge is clean. We can actually go grocery shopping. We can fit some things in there. We are officially at the 3rd video here. We are officially at, I think, 2.5 garbage bags of shit that I threw out from my kitchen. So we're gonna have a full garbage can this week. That's all I'm saying. But these before after shots are insane to me because I did my shit. That's all I'm saying. So I will give you a little hint. Actually, I'm just gonna tell you. I'm just gonna tell you what every single video is before the week, so that you guys will subscribe, so that you guys can watch the next week's video. So next week, I am deep cleaning my pantry. It's horrid. It's disgusting. It's so bad. Literally everything is just so bad. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see me deep clean my pantry. And on that note, I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next week. Love you.